Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. In this video I'll be sharing with you some gift ideas for tech people or tech enthusiasts in 2021. These are in no specific order and all of the products will be available in the description. Let's get started. To start, we have something that would definitely put a smile on my face, and that is the Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. This 3D printer is excellent for the beginner because it offers professional results at an affordable price. It comes as a semi-assembled kit so that you can be printing in no time. The heating bed can reach its operating temperature in just 5 minutes, and if somehow the electrical power is lost, the printer can resume projects from its last layer, this way saving you time and reducing waste. With endless printing options, this is a gift that won't get old. Next is the Logitech MX Master 3. It is the leading in its market for several reasons. It's one of the most comfortable mouses, if not the most comfortable. The battery life is amazing. According to Logitech, can reach 30 days. Yes, you heard it, 30 days on a full charge. But fortunately, with moderate use, you can reach much more. The MX Master 3 came out in 2019 with some changes, including a USB Type-C, a more ergonomic grip, and improved scrolling wheels. It is something that once you try it, you won't go back. With the app on your PC, you can customize almost everything on the mouse in terms of button functions and settings. For someone that does a lot of multitasking or video editing, this is a tool that will improve your workflow. Every tech ed enjoys controlling technology with voice commands, and Amazon was the first company to develop a voice-assisted smart speaker for home use. In 2020, they launched the 4th generation of Echo, a smart speaker that has been a success. Besides doing everything that the previous versions did, like setting alarms, play music, audiobooks, control your smart home, this new Echo can process voice requests a bit quicker, has a new design in a ball shape, which if you ask me, looks really clean, and has an amazing sound quality with improved bass considering the size and price point. The things you can do with Echo are almost endless, and for these reasons, I think it's an excellent gift choice. Now, last but not least, we have a microphone. This one in specific, the Blue Yeti, is considered by many the best USB microphone. Professional sound and build quality is perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, streaming, and musical instruments. It features a mute button, a volume knob, a headphone jack, and a micro USB port. It has 4 recording settings for different recording situations. You can adjust the sound sensitivity on the back, and it's internally amplified, so you don't need any external tools to get a clear, rich sounding voice. To check out any of these products, head over to the description of the video where you'll find all the links you need. Don't forget the like button, and thanks for watching.